If I'm a retiree and I want to build my own house here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, but how much it will cost? And what are the step-by-step process? And who will I talk to? Well, in this video guys, we will discuss all of the process from investing in a lot only to building your dream house just like this one. Are you ready? So we're now here at Trava, guys. Again, this is the flagship development of Greenfield Development Corp. And as you can see at my back, this is one of our model houses here in Trava. So we have two kinds of model house na nakatayo na dito na pwede natin ma-visit in actual. But here in Trava, you can build your own design house as long as it's follow the modern Asian tropical theme. Trava is a 33 hectares residential development of Greenfield, no, and 55% here are only saleable lots, meaning the rest 45% is dedicated to open spaces. That's why we have 3-line roads, jogging path, bike lane, and also here in Trava, 100% fully underground ang ating mga utilities. So meaning, in the future, yung ganda ng area, yung ganda ng mga bahay na itatayo nyo dito is ma-maintain nyo dahil walang haharang ng mga unnecessary wires. So since we are talking about retirement house, number one consideration natin dyan is yung location. So Carlwin, saan ba located itong si Trava? So sa mga di nakakaalam, no, Trava is located in a master plan community or development of Greenfield. No? So nakapalibot dito yung iba't ibang commercials, kagaya ng Paseo Outlet Mall, and then the SRBP, which is the Future Commercial Business District na nandito sa loob ng Greenfield City. And also, Greenfield City is located sa isang lugar, no, or dito sa Metro Santa Rosa na napapalibutan ng mga master plan development ng mga kilalang developer dito sa Pilipinas. Kagaya na lang ni New Valley, which is developed by Ayala, and then sa tabi lang niya is Santa Elena City, and then sa katabi lang din ni Greenfield, no, Eton City. That is development by Lusiotan Group. And then makatawid lang tayo ng konti ng Calax, no? Meron na dyan tayong South Forbes, which is development by Catayland. Although it is located in some part of Cavite, it is silang, part pa rin siya ng Metro Santa Rosa. And isa sa mga amenities nila is ma-enjoy mo kapag dito ka nakatira. So yun yung isang advantage, no? Kapag yung lugar nyo is puno ng mga high-end development, pare-parehas ninyong ma-enjoy yung bawat amenities na ino-offer dito sa area. Whether it's for activities just like golf, no? Malapit lang din tayo dyan sa South Forbes, meron tayo dyan golf. Then sa New Valley, meron na ring golf driving range, bagong-bago. Panoorin nyo yung video ko about doon. And napakarami pang iba. Eton City, napakalapit lang din, no? Kaya naman, itong Trava is very accessible through Eton exit, no? And it has 3 major exit. Eton exit, Calaxman Plaza exit, and then Santa Rosa exit. So napakalapit lang niya sa lahat, whether your business is located in Metro Manila, no, dito kayo magpapatayo ng dream house ninyo, pwede nyo pa rin siya makonsider. Kaya naman napili kong i-feature itong si Trava to give you an idea from investing in a lot only to building your own design dream house, no? Trava is one of the exclusive premium development here in Metro Santa Rosa. And that's very important, syempre, if you are building a house, especially for your family, one of the main factor na dapat mong kino-consider is the exclusivity, no? Kung gaano nga ba ka-safe dyan sa area. So dito sa Trava, sobrang safe nila dito, and makikita nyo naman, may roving guards tayo, and then the entrance, napakigpit nila dito. Actually, bago tayo makapag-shoot dito, kailangan natin ng mga schedule para rin sa mga nakatira na dito. Actually, meron na dito nakatira na isa, which is client din namin. We're happy to assist them, no? Naka-invest sila way back 2018 and now nakatira na sila dito, no? And then, marami pang tinatayong bahay na for sure this year mata-turn over din to. So, hopefully, may mga bahay na dito nakapagpatayo, no? Sa mga susunod na buwan, mapapakita ko siya sa inyo. So, this is one of our model house here in Trava. And nakikita nyo sa likod ko, no? Later papasukin natin siya. And again guys, this house is located in Block 8 Lot 8. So lucky number. And then also, it is prime lot. Kasi nasa tapat lang siya ng main road, malapit sa clubhouse, and sa ating entrance gate. So here, as you can see, you have your 4-car garage na space. And also, if it doesn't fit your cars, no, pwede kang maglagay ng underground pa naman. So, dito sa Trava, allowed naman tayo maglagay ng underground. So, dito, you have your 4-car garage. And then, it has a ready for car charger, just in case, no? And then, ang kinaganda dito, may roof siya. So, hindi siya totally naka-expose sa araw or sa ulan. Dito, at least safe na safe siya. And yan. So, ito yung ating model house. Again, guys, this is Block 8, Lot 8. So, gusto ko talaga i-highlight yan eh. Kasi yun yung mga talagang nauunang maubos na lote, kumbaga sa mga residential. Meron ka ditong elders room, just in case, na pwede mo rin gamitin for your office or something entertainment area. So, depende na rin sa inyo, no? Pero in case na meron kayong kasamang elders sa bahay, pwede nyo tong gayahin, no? Pwede nyo din ito ipalagay. And it has their own toilet and bath na rin, and then cabinets. So, puntahan natin yun sa loob ng bahay. So, as you can see, pagpasok nyo dito, you will be welcomed by your open layout house. So, yun yung kinaganda dito, since this is an open layout, this living area is adjacent to your dining area and to your gourmet kitchen. So, this design, sa lahat ng client na nadala ko dito, isa lang sinasabi nila, para to sa mga mahilig mag-gathering, no? Mahilig magpapunta ng mga bisita dito sa bahay, kasi kahit na yung other family members nyo is nandito sa living area, busy doing some things or some other stuff, kahit yung iba ay nasa dining area, ikaw ay nagluluto, pwede ka pa rin makihalubilo. So, dito, guys, we have powder room, no, sa baba, and then this is an elevator. So dito sa bahay na dito sa model house na to, may elevator tayong kasama. In case naman pwede niyo siyang palagyan, pwede ring hindi, no? Kapag nag-design kayo ng bahay ninyo. So this will be a very quick house tour lang naman, kasi for sure, or baka napanood niyo na yung house tour ko sa ibang vlog. Dito, i-quick house tour lang natin kasi hindi naman ito yung pinaka main topic natin, no? So here's your gourmet kitchen, and here's your 8-seater dining area. So this is your auxiliary room. So dito pwede niyo i-prepare lahat ng mga foods, no, and everything, and may cabinets na rin siya. Actually, dito yung pinaka-kitchen ninyo, no? And then, maganda dito, hindi siya na-expose sa labas, no? And then, sa mga bisita nyo. So, pwede nyo siyang i-prepare na lang dito. Then, pag ilalabas nyo, doon na lang makikita yung mga food. And it has an access going to your laundry area. And also, sa mga drivers natin, and then sa maid's room. Meron tayo dyang room, no? Papunta rin yun ng car garage natin. So, punta naman tayo agad second floor. So, dito sa second floor, guys, nakikita nyo, ang ganda ng design ng house nila dito kasi full of window. Just like this one. This is a floor-to-ceiling window ang ginawa nila. And also, for this one, ganun din. Kaya naman, madali mo makikita yung mga family members mo kahit na nandito ka sa second floor. So, here's your common area. So, dito pwede mag-aral yung anak mo. Pwede nyo gawin sama-sama dito sa second floor. And dito, meron tayong bedroom. Bedroom number 1, or number 2 rather. It has their own toilet and bath na rin, walk-in closet, and study table. So, punta naman tayo sa second room. So, dito naman sa second room, ito yung pwede mo maging for kid, no? And then, meron din siya ditong study table, walk-in closet. Ayan, and it has the view also. So, same lang din dun sa kabila. So, puntahan naman natin yung master's bedroom. So, nga pala guys, dito din sa second floor, you have your powder room, just like this one. So, in case na dito sila mag-bonding or dito sa common area, madali lang, may access tayo. So, hindi na pupunta sa kanya-kanyang room. And then, here's your elevator. And then, dito tayo sa master's bedroom. So, here's your master bedroom. As you can see, you have your entertainment area pa dito. And then, may wall lang siya na partition. Tapos, andito na yung ating bedroom, di ba? And then, we have a balcony also na pwede natin ma-highlight, di ba? Ayan, just like this one. So, hindi ko na i-access kasi umulan, medyo basa dun sa loob. Baka magputik pa sa loob ng bahay, di ba? So, yan, may view kayo dyan ng yung bedroom nyo. And then, dito naman, you have your own toilet and bath na rin, no? Ayan, pagpasok mo. So, dito, ayan. And then, his and her sink. And then, dito yung walk-in closet mo. Diba? So, dito pwede kayong mag-prepare ng inyong husband, no? Just in case, ito yung mga gamit nyo. May space pa rin dyan for luggage, just in case, if you're a traveler. And then, here's your toilet and bath. So, punta naman tayo sa entertainment area nila dito. So, dito pwedeng maglaro yung inyong mga kids. So, you have an entertainment area here, or common area, ayan. So, may TV siya dito, and then may sofa set. And also, it has their own balcony na rin. Ayan. So, ayan yung itsura niya sa labas, guys. Tara, tingnan natin. So, dito, wala namang basa. So, dito, ayan, guys. Ayan yung magiging view nyo dito may kita nyo, may mga houses na ongoing construction. And then yun, nakatira na ngayon dito sa Trava. And then, tanaw na tanaw mo dito, yung the Medical City, which is, we all know na need natin yun if we are looking for a retirement house. And dyan lang yung Medical City. Zadia, tanaw na tanaw din. Development also by Greenfield. And then, minutes away, nandiyan na yung Pasaya Outlet Mall. So, napakalapit lang niya sa lahat. Since we are going to talk about building your own design dream house here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, how much it will cost, and what are the step-by-step process, no? And everything you need to know. So let's start from this kind of finish. So let's make a sample for this model house. As you can see, this model house, kung nasan tayo ngayon, since this is our model house here in Trava, it is fully furnished. No, it has a floor area of 629 square meter, but you can have this kind of house, yung finish, no, wala pa yung mga gamit, minimum of 50,000 pesos per square meter. No, you can have this kind of house dito sa Trava. Plus the elevator, if ever, kasi this one is, depende naman sa inyo kung ano yung ipapatayo ninyo or kung anong brand ng elevator yung ilalagay ninyo sa house. At di ako nagkakamali, this kind of elevator, minimum 1 million kapag magpapalagay ka sa house mo. And also having this kind of island top. Kasi this one is depende sa magiging karakteristik ng magpapatayo ng bahay or depende sa inyo kung ano yung preferred ninyo. If gusto nyo ba ganitong design or ganito din yung pagka-dark niya, no, it will depend sa inyo. So, I think isa to sa mga expensive na nakalagay dito sa ating model house bukod sa ating elevator na for sure, magdedepende kung ano yung ipapalagay ninyo sa bahay ninyo. So, hindi pa to kasama sa 50,000 per square meter. No? Pati yung iba nating mga finishes kasi yan naman will depends pa. Actually, bago siya ilagay, nauna munang itayo yung bahay and then last na dinedecide yung mga cabinets na yan, no? Also guys, it will depends on your contractor na kukunin sa pagpapatayo ng bahay mo, no? Since we have construction company also, dito sa area, meron na rin kaming mga na-develop or meron na rin kaming mga na-construct na bahay, kaya we have an idea. Especially in Solen Residences and Pramana Residential Park, which is kaka-turn over lang last month, no? Nung kanyang pina-extend na parking lot doon sa bahay niya. So again guys, if we take a look for this sample model house, no, and then it has a floor area of 629 square meter times 50,000 pesos per square meter for the house, it will cost you around 31,450,000 for this kind of house and finish. No, wala pa dun yung ating mga expensive na gamit dito sa ating model house na it will depends on you. Like yung swimming pool, kung sakaling magpapalagay kayo, it really depends on you kung ano man yung mga gamit na gagamitin ninyo. But on this kind of house, yung livable area, it will cost you 31,450,000 pesos. So again guys, that is for the basic finish of this house. So you have now an idea now how much it will cost you per square meter right now in the area. Let's move to investing into your lot here in Trava, kung saan mo ipapatayo ang inyong dream house. So here in Trava guys, this is a 33 hectares residential premium development and 45% here are dedicated to open spaces. Kaya naman this is an ideal for building your own dream house here in the area. The density here in Trava is around 10 houses only per hectares, which is more exclusive or more premium comparing to other premium development here in the area. So for the lot here in Trava guys, you can choose a lot here starting from 550 square meter to 750 square meter lot. No, and the price per square meter, the minimum price per square meter right now here in Trava is 38,700 per square meter. So i-times lang natin yon. For example, sa minimum cut na 550 square meter, that's around 21 million pesos only. For 21 million pesos only, you can start investing here in Trava. So for the lot, we have 3 payment options. First is deferred, second is through bank, and then last is the spot cash. For the bank loan, 20% is your down payment, and it's very flexible because you can pay it up to 24 months, and then the remaining 80% balance is loanable through bank financing. Second option, if you don't want to loan it in bank and also you want to maximize your investment, Greenfield allows us to pay the full TCP amount within 24 months with 0% interest. And last payment option is a spot cash payment. You can pay the full amount within 30 days and not like any other developers here in the area, Greenfield give us up to 20% maximum discount. Yes, that's a huge discount na pwede nyo ma-maximize, especially if you really want to pay the property naman talaga in spot cash. No? And kaya nga most of our buyers here in Trava is a spot cash payment. If we take a look guys, kagaya na example natin kanina, which is the minimum cut, which is 550 square meter is around 21 million pesos, less 20% discount if you pay it in spot cash, no? From 21 million, it will be 16.8 million pesos only. 16.8 plus miscellaneous fee, which is 4%. So that is around 672,000 pesos. The total amount for the lot plus miscellaneous fee, if you pay it in spot cash, from 21 million, it will only become 17,472,000 pesos only. You save an amount around 4 million pesos, which is pwede mo na ipadagdag sa pagpapatayo ng dream house mo. Isa pa, miscellaneous fee here in Trava is very low comparing to other properties here in the area, around 5 to 6%. Now, Carlin, we have an idea na how much it will cost from investing in a lot only to building a dream house. We imagine na rin how it feels to live there and kung ano yung model house na ipapatayo namin at kung anong lot size nga ba yung ideal para sa pamilya namin. So if that is the case, let us now discuss what are the process or the timeline, no? If we started investing in a lot only, then decide to build our dream house, no? Ano-ano nga ba yung magiging proseso nito? First step, since magpapatayo na tayo ng property dito sa Trava, ang isa sa pinaka-importante na dapat una nating gagawin is dapat fully paid na tayo sa property na napili nating tayuan ng ating dream house. So if bank loan naman yung inyong payment option dun sa lote ninyo, dapat ay loan takeout na tayo sa bank. So if naka-bank loan naman yung payment option natin sa lote, the process for this one is up to 30 to 45 days process bago lumabas yung ating approval from the bank. On this process naman, sa lahat naman ng village na mga nakikita natin, mga premium development, pag sa house design, meron tayong sinusunod na concept. So dito sa Trava, ang house concept na ina-allow ni Greenfield na pwede mo ipatayo sa lote mo is more on modern Asian tropical concept. Since alam nyo na yung house concept dito sa Trava, actually alam naman yan ng ating contractor na gagawa ng bahay. Sabihin lang natin, modern Asian tropical team, alam na nila yung mga gagamiting materials and everything. Basta pasok sa modern Asian tropical team, pwede nyo siya ipatayo dito sa Trava. Ngayon na may design na kayo ng house, the plan or the architectural design must be approved by Greenfield Development Corp. So for an idea guys, we have these two kinds of model house na nakatayo dito sa Trava na pwede nyong makuha na ng idea sa pagpapatayo ng house. And also, I made a video of it. Nasa caption ko yung link. You can watch it later. But if you want to see it in actual, you can schedule your actual visit on the numbers flash on the screen. Susunod na kailangan naman natin is blueprint. Dito sa blueprint, makikita yung ating structural and technical details ng ipapatayo nating bahay. If ever, Carlwin, ayoko na rin naman masyado mag-isip ng house design and okay naman ako sa design ng model house nyo sa Trava. Do they have ready-made blueprint na sample? Yes, you can avail the blueprint in Greenfield for 500,000 pesos only. Next is BOM or Bill of Materials, which is magagaling sa ating mapipiling kontraktor ng ating bahay. Sa mga di nakakaalam, BOM is a list of your expenses or prices of all the materials you will use for building your dream house. The process for this step is 1 week only. Together with BOM or Bill of Materials, which is in-explain ko kanina, or title or deed of sale nung property na patatayuan nyo ng bahay. Kailangan natin ng building permit para sa ipapatayo nating bahay para masigurado ng city municipal na safe ang ating papatayong bahay para sa mga gagamit nito, especially sa pamilya natin at sa lugar na nasasakupan nito. And it will only take up to 3 to 4 weeks. Fully paid na ang ating lot sa developer. Meron na rin tayong house design, blueprints, bill of materials, and especially nakapag-asikaso na tayo ng ating building permit. Next naman is the exciting part, which is the groundbreaking. So dito nangyayari yung mga ceremony bago tayuan ng bahay, yung specific na lote. So dito, iba-iba yung ating paniniwala, iba-iba yung ating mga nakasanayan na dapat ginagawa bago patayuan ng bahay. So dito po nangyayari yon sa groundbreaking. The total process of all of these steps is 3 to 4 months process. Why I am doing this? Actually, this is also important as choosing a property where to build your dream house. Now, if alam mo yung costing, yung timeline, and yung proseso, unang-una hindi ka maiinip if alam mo yung proseso, each timeline. Pangalawa, matatrack mo kung nasang progress ka na ba ng pagpapatayo mo ng bahay? And pangatlo, and pinakamahalaga, no, is hindi ka maluloko. If alam mo yung proseso from buying a lot to building this house, kaya ako ito sinishare sa inyo. So if you're thinking you don't have time to process all of these steps, no, we can help you all throughout the way naman, no, from buying a lot to building your dream house. So guys, lahat naman na binigay natin na example is based on our experience and also sa mga clients natin na na-turn over na property here in the area. Especially sa presyo, binis natin yan yung presyo ngayon, no? Kung magkano nga ba yung construction cost and everything. Meaning, it will really depends talaga sa inyo. Just like sa lot, no? Kung anong sukat ng lote yung mapipili ninyo, kailan kayo makakapag-invest sa lote, sa contractor, kung sino yung kausap ninyo sa pagpapatayo ng bahay, sa costing ng house or sa materials na gagamitin sa bahay ninyo, and syempre kung kailan kayo magpapatayo ng bahay. So depende talaga sa inyo yung magiging cost ng dream house niyo. The goal of this video is to give you some ideas, especially if you are someone who is planning to retire here in the Philippines, or you are just living in a congested area, you just want some place, a very nice place you can call your own, no? And at the same time, hindi nalalayo sa business mo. So if you're that kind of person, I hope this video help you a lot. And if you have question about Trava or all other developments here in the area, feel free to message us on the numbers flashed on the screen. That is 639-690-20739, and it has a Viber and WhatsApp and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media account, Facebook page, IG, and TikTok. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.